Just let it set right there, Tony. Let it drift in. Be ready if you get a bite. Holler at me so I can go grab your fish. All about the Brandkamps here. Trying to catch some fish in Idaho. We seen some big catfish right up here on the bank. Hopefully we can get lucky and catch one.
Oh,
anybody got a knife or anything? Dude, that's a big catfish right there. Hey, at least we know they're up on the rocks.
Yeah. So we can just cast right on the rock.
Alright, we're here at Lake Lowell. And there's a huge catfish right there on the rocks. About to go fishing.
Somebody has a bite. I know, it's just a nibble. Dang, boys. Where are all the frog legs? I need some frog legs. Yeah. What the flip is that fish there?
You see it now? Right there?
Huh?
Oh, you have to push the button.
Yeah, reel. Now reel it in. Where's it at? Oh, he's right there, dude.
Right there.
Use it. I don't really know how to use it.
It's been
Right there?
He's right past it.
Pull it back.
I'm gonna float it right in front of him.
Where can we see it?
He's right there on the rocks. He's blending in with the rocks.
I think you should put more warm.
It's right in front of him. We'll see if he bites it.
El tuyo lo tienes nomás con una presa, güey, que no flote. A ver, echa el tuyo, güey.
I see it now.
Yeah, you see it? Let's move your worm down a little deeper.
So we can go deeper.
He's right.
What? What'd you get?
Let me see.
Bait fish? He said
Right here.
Watch out, watch out.
He said it's a bait.
Bring it over here. What'd you get?
Oh, am I under you or over you? Oh, there we go. Dude, the worm's right in front of him.
Yeah, I feel like it's just floating to Pelon. If Pelon has the Texas, you're going to just drag it right in front of him. ¿Ya se fue el güey?
Ahí está.
Oh, shit.
No, es que no le caiga.
Oh, yeah.
Ah, Pelon.
Scared him.
Que no, es que no le caiga.
That's crazy. He's right there, though.
Yeah, a lot of people sight fish for him. They just like walk around the ocean.
see it? You see it?
Well, I don't see him. Where?
Right there in the same spot.
Oh, I see him. I see him.
Look at this. Oh, wait.
He must have a nest.
Wait, wait.
Mira.
His mouth.
Oh, perfect.
I see him. I see his mouth. I see him. He's right over there.
Pasó. Hey.
Yeah, Mason.
Yeah, it's right in front of him.
What's up? Fishing.
Oh, he's moving. He's moving.
Two fish at a time. Two catfish. It's because they say there's one.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. They're still here.
I need a new one. Is that good enough? Hey, let me have it. I still see it.
All right, let it sink. Let your worm sink. You got him?
No, he got snagged.
There's two over here.
Your worm's right beside it. Let it sit.
Yeah, a lot of people, they just walk along the shore and you see that.
He's still there?
Yeah.
I'm not visible, Daddy.
Let me try again. Where's he?
He's right here, right in front of him. Right here.
Ah, he's leaving again.
Oh.
Daddy, tell me if you catch a catfish on my pole. On your pole.
Dang. He's swimming away again. There he goes, there he goes. Got him.
Hey, pelón. Cayó.
Got him. Oh, man.
You filming?
Yeah,
You got it.
I got him.
Work it.
Oh.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah, Daddy.
Dang, he's a fighter too.
That's my
Hell yeah.
fish.
Hell yeah. Fish on.
Find some fish today.
Daddy, that's mine.
Oh, he broke it.
No.
No!
He broke it off.
Madre.
Look.
He'll come back.
He'll come back. Yep, he
It
will.
sounds so.
Shit.
He was big.
Fuck. That was a pretty big one.
He don't feel that big, but he hit it hard.
Might be bad.
Maybe I missed him. I don't know. Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. That was big.
Is it bad?
Yeah, he's the best.
Is it good? To eat?
You can't eat bass yet until July.
Fish on!
Fish on.
Fish on!
Dang.
Oh, look, another jump over. Was that you?
Yeah.
Oh. Remember this?
You're just taking line. The drag set really light on this. I don't want to tighten it though, because that's what I did earlier and broke the line.
Go, Daddy.
It really sucks if it broke off. It'd be
Yeah.
too rough.
Well, the drag set really light on this. Look.
I can try to.
See, it's a left-hand pole and I'm right-handed. There he is. He's coming closer.
I see it.
There he is.
Oh, he's a good one. Yeah, it's a good size.
Is it bait fish?
Yeah, it's pretty big for a bass, yeah.
Is it good bait fish?
Yeah, it's like the one that got away.
Yeah, the fucking, this was like a 5-pounder though. We don't have a scale.
Fish on! It belongs moving closer. Somebody has a nibble. Somebody has a nibble. Tony, you have nibbles.
Oh yeah, he has small little.
Mm-hmm.
Might be a little higher.
Tony, rolling your
there he is.
fishing pole. Wait, no, whose fishing pole is
Smallmouth.
that?
Oh, the smallmouth?
Yeah.
Oh, I see it.
Oh, there he goes again.
It looks like a large one.
Ooh! That's a huge bass.
Oh,
Oh man.
get stuck in the rock.
No, instead of tightening I loosened the drag.
But that's mine.
Dang. I don't know how to do this one.
Oh no, that's not the drag. The drag is this dial right here.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
There we go. Try that.
It's still on?
I think so, but I can't reel it in. It's not reeling. I can't get it to reel in.
Yeah, I have
Oh, there you go. Is he under the rock now?
Yeah.
Okay. Fuck. That's a nice fish too. I don't want to lose him.
Oh, watch out. Maybe the lion got stuck in between some rocks.
Yeah. Oh shit.
Record.
I am. Let's get down.
Oh, that's big.
It's catfish. Hey, let him swim. Let him swim. Let him. No. Let him swim.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
We have the.
Oh shit. Come on, dude.
Go inside, bro.
I got pretty thick line.
Oh, yeah.
There's catfish.
Yeah, it's my first catfish of the year.
Dude, he's nice.
Yeah.
Let's get him to the top.
Yeah. Quítale.
I want
Allá acá arriba, pues,
to feel.
Do you have a stringer?
No, we didn't bring one.
I just seen the line taking off and I was
That
like,
one, Michael.
The yellow one, remember?
Give me it. Throw it over here.
dude, he's nice.
Yeah.
Oh, you got him through the eye.
Yeah. Hey, Javi, did you bring your
You got pliers?
Yeah, I got pliers.
All right. Nice fish.
We have him like 7 inches long, I think. You know what flotador, man? Feels big.
Yeah. I can't do it left-handed. I'm trying.
It's got 15-pound line.
Big bass.
I don't know. He's staying low like catfish.
Catfish.
Yeah. Oh, he's taking the string.
Catfish on. Catfish. Catfish. Ooh.
He's not as big as his, but
That's a decent size. That is a decent size. Oh, that's a good one. Oh, I see catfish right on the bank. I see catfish.
come on, stay out of the rocks.
That's on That's not a monster.
Nah, he's not no monster, but he's decent.
Well, I seen one.
He swallowed the hook though. Oh, he's all nasty. He's not as big as the one that broke my line earlier.
Bass?
Bass.
Yeah, it's a little bass.
Hey.
Catch it, catch.
A little thing. That's little. That's not big. Daddy, remember that song that I was talking about to you a long time ago? I was talking about this song to you.
Dang, I'm about to fall in the water.
Well, that's a little bass.
Yeah.
A little more.
You want to keep him or no?
Nah, you can't keep it.
Can't keep him?
Yeah,
That's what you like.
Oh. Buy it? Jojo. I don't know if you can see it on my camera. There's a mink just chilling up there. Is that mink or whatever? What? It keeps coming closer and closer to it. Can you see it?